Hello everyone. In this video we will see that how we can check a real-time location of a user who is logged in into mobile app. To view the real-time location, click on FSM. Under FSM, click on real-time location. Here it will show you the name of a users who are currently logged in into the mobile app and has clocked in. And when you click on this particular user location, it will show you his current location, and under collab details it will show you the travel any user has covered travel distance and at what time user logged in into the CRM and what was the address. And the same way, when user will clock out, a clock out time will be captured along with the clock out address and the total time of duration from when user clocked in to clock out. Thank you.